B flat major scale. Objective: by the end of this video, you are expected to play B flat major scale without stress. B flat major scale include B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. Let's take it again. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. So the first shape we are going to play is like they are similar to the others. Then you continue on. Very good. You can also hold it like this with your second finger. Start from this side and play it this way. And then it goes down. Very good. You can also hold it this way, like this, and play it. You can also play it this way. You get a shape like this. Very good. Welcome to B major scale. By the end of this lesson, you are expected to play B major scale across the fretboard. B major scale involves B, C sharp, E flat, E, F sharp, G sharp. Then B flat, B. Let's take it again. B, C sharp, E flat, E, F sharp, G sharp, B flat, B. So the shape goes like you can also begin with your second finger like this and then play it downwards. Very good. You can also play it like this. Then you can get your shape like this. Then very simple. So I have given you all the major skills from C up to B. Practice them, work them out, and you begin using them to make a song. Thank you.